Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Drive. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner. Go ahead and click on Backups. Then select a particular WhatsApp backup you want to turn off. For instance, if I'm turning off WhatsApp backup for this, what we want to do is to click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Turn Off Backup right here. Once you turn off backup, WhatsApp will not be able to back up to this particular Google Drive storage cloud anymore. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.